Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. So today I'm very excited to unbox and show you some gorgeous 3D wooden carvings I've received from Tivisiy. So if you haven't heard of Tivisiy, they are a one-stop destination for creative artwork, home decor, gifts and so much more. So I was lucky enough to pick out 3 of their 3D wooden carvings from their website. Now Tivisiy are actually one of Hyde Park's retailers. As you'll see, the branding on the box here is all Hyde Park, and all of the 3D wooden designs have come from their designers. And it's also definitely worth mentioning to always purchase Hyde Park's products from genuine retailers. So yes, I'm very excited to get all of these unboxed and show you exactly what I've picked out. So first of all, I want to say that I really love the packaging. I love that it's just come in this cardboard. I like the sort of cutout design and you can see all these animals underneath. I think it's definitely very eye-catching, definitely very fun. And it just says here, give animals a home. So I'm gonna get this first box opened up now. So in here is this big card with all of the animal prints on and just a bit of information about Hyde Park on here. So this is the first one I picked out. So there are a few different options actually for their products. Some light up, some are sound activated, they've got money boxes, they've got just the wooden carvings on their own. So I did pick a bit of a variety. So A, I had a variety of products myself, and B, I could show you a good range of their products. So I do also have a discount code if you are interested in purchasing any of these products or any of the other products on their website. And my discount code is Brodie15, which will get you 15% off your order. I will of course link in the description below all of the product links, the website links and everything else as well. So yeah, if you're interested in purchasing some really unique and gorgeous gifts for yourself or for someone else, then yeah, definitely would recommend checking that out. So when I saw this one on the Tivisiy website, I absolutely knew I was going to pick it. If you don't know, sloths are my favorite animal. So when I saw this, I just thought it looked so cute, and even better, it's in my favorite animal. In the box as well, you've got just this paper kind of shredding to protect the products. So it's all recyclable and isn't harmful to the environment. So for the sloth, I actually picked the light up version. It just comes with a USB plug that you could just pop into any existing adapter you already have, and then you can see here it's just got the little switch as well. It is actually a really good length wire, so you can kind of pop your sloth up or whichever animal you decided to go for and light it up. But look at the detail on this. It feels such good quality. It's like thick layers of wood, and I think the design is so intricate and so beautiful. It's like you keep looking at it and you keep seeing more and more and more. I think these would just make a fantastic gift, perfect for anyone, and I think would suit any occasion as well. So that is a real good close-up. I like as well, there's like a little mini sloth in the background just here. I just think it's so cute. I will overlay some clips of this lit up at night. I don't think I'm going to get the full effect of how cute it's going to look in the daytime, but I will overlay some clips both lit up in the day and lit up at night. So how cute does that sloth look, even not with the lights on? I think it's absolutely gorgeous, and I love as well how the light just makes the whole carving just really come to life. You can really see those layers of detail and intricacy, and I think it's definitely going to provide a really nice like soft lighting in replacement to if you had quite a harsh light from a lamp. I just think it's super cute and looks really nice on the bedside table, so I'm really pleased with that. So this is the second product that I picked. This time it's come in this green box, again with all of these animal shapes in it, which I think is super cute. I feel like these boxes would be quite good to just reuse for something. This one this time has just come in some like polystyrene to protect it, but this is something a little bit different again to the last product. And again, they had a few of these on here, but I just thought this one was like the cutest. So I actually opted to go for a money box. As you can see, this one is in the shape of a bear, and inside we've still got the kind of other wooden carvings of some deer and a little tree, which I think is so cute. Just got this slot at the top to put your coins in, and also to get your coins back out, but it is quite a big slot, so you'll easily be able to kind of shake it again to get the coins out. But how cute is that? I like how the kind of plastic across the front hasn't obscured or compromised how well you can see the design behind. I think it just is so cute. You wouldn't even have to put any coins in here, you could just leave it as it is. I think the size of this as well will just make it perfect for anywhere, so you could have it in your home, in the office, in a cafe, just as a little bit of decor anywhere. I think it's super cute. And then this is the third and final item that I picked out from Tivisiy. I don't know why it's come in such a large box, because it's not this large, but there we go. We've got again the little card here with the information about Hyde Park, but I saw this on there and I thought, again, I just have to get it. This is an animal that I see pretty much every single day, which probably sounds a bit odd when you see which animal it is, but I see them every day. It is this carving of this kangaroo with a little Joey in her pouch, but how they've got this level of detail on quite a small carving I think is absolutely phenomenal. It just seems to go on forever and ever. You've got some trees, you've got clouds in the background, some other little kangaroos here. I like the different colours as well. It provides, I think, a really good contrast, and yeah, I see kangaroos pretty much every day, so I thought it would be rude not to pick up a kangaroo. Again, the quality feels phenomenal. It is this thick wood, again with all of these little layers of wood in here as well to create the design. I just think it's really fun. There's heaps of different animals on there, so you're bound to find your favourite on the website. So all of these do come with lights, like the sloth without. There's also a sound activated LED light version as well, which if you play music it will turn on and turn off, which I think is really cool. And they also do the products in like plus size and mega size versions, so this is just the standard size version, but as I said, I'll leave all the website and everything linked below, so if you want to check out the other products that I've got, then definitely do so. So I do just want to say thank you again to Tivisiy for gifting me these items. I think they are all absolutely gorgeous, and I can't wait to have a little movie night tonight and put on my new sloth lamp, and also to find a little home for the kangaroo. I have a little nano block kangaroo, so maybe I'll put them alongside that. But I'm just really impressed with the variety of products on their website, and I'm also really impressed with the quality. I also like as well that they're concerned with the environment and using sustainable products. I think that's definitely something to really be aware of, and it's absolutely fantastic that that's a consideration that they make when creating their products. I love the designs. I think they're so fun, so cute, and I definitely would recommend checking out their website, which I will leave linked below. And as I mentioned previously, I do also have a discount code, so if you're interested in picking anything up from them, the code is Brodie15 and you will receive 15% off. But let me know whether you've ever purchased anything from Tivisiy. If you have, definitely let me know what you purchased. I'd really love to know. And let me know which was your favourite product and what your favourite animal is that you hope that they have as a product on their website. But as always, thank you so much for watching today's video. Thank you to Tivisiy for gifting me these gorgeous items. If you did enjoy the video, please do give it a big thumbs up, leave me a comment, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you again in my next video.